What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another kind of garage video. First cleaning of 2024, guys. Here we go. We just got done riding. Hopefully you guys enjoy that video, but she's dirty. It's time to get this girl cleaned up. We can do some maintenance on her. So I just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Alco cleaners. I'm sure you guys have seen in the past, this is the cleaner that I use. Highly recommend it. It's really good stuff. They also offer laundry powder for your gear and silicone spray detailer for after washing. You can shine the machine up and protect it. It's really good stuff. We will be doing a giveaway, so just stay tuned for the end of this video for details on how to enter. All right, guys, so first things first, you want to protect your machine. Invest in a exhaust plug. These are just the twin air ones. I got these on Amazon. These fit the HMF pipes perfectly. They get in nice and tight, they won't fall out. And then secondly, I like to remove my air filter and then cap off the air intake so no water can get into the engine. Something you guys should be doing if you're cleaning these things with a power washer. That's the last thing you want to do, is get water into the intake system. So we just remove our filter. So I get these, guys. This is a product that I got from Lowe's. It's just a 4-inch plumbing Fernco cap. It just has a hose clamp to tighten it up. Fits perfectly on this setup. You can just pop it on there and then you just tighten it up with the hose clamp. And then we're good to wash. All right, guys, what I like to do is I just like to rinse the quad off. Get all the heavy dirt off. All right, next we're just going to cover the thing in Alco cleaners. As you saw in the beginning, I like to buy this cleaner by the 5-gallon bucket. That will last me just about a full race season. It really just depends, you know. We did 11 races, no, we did 10 races, so that was pretty much 10 cleanings plus maybe a half dozen practice rides. So for the most part, it will last the season, but it's just the best way to buy it. You do save a few bucks buying it in bulk. So we like to use a handy pump sprayer, and then we're just gonna soak this thing in Alco cleaners, cover it really good. Now you can let this sit for a minute, but you don't have to. It's pretty much good to go right when you apply it. So now we're just going to rinse her off. So I do usually 12 o'clock this thing, guys, but as you know, I recently broke my wrist and my collarbone. I'm about 3 months full surgery. I'm going to try to lift it. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to or not though, so but we'll give it a try. All right, let's give it a shot. I'm trying to just push with my left hand. Holy fuck. Sorry for the swears. Definitely feel that in the wrist. All right, now we're gonna just douse this thing with Alco one more time. I like to get all the undercarriage. Also gives me an opportunity just to look at the frame like this, make sure everything looks good. We haven't hit anything that would have me be worried, but it's always good just to look it over. We're also going to clean out the radiator real well. That's another thing that's good for taking the plastics off. You can get the water in the top and the back of it. Something you want to do for racing, guys, especially if you have a lot of mud races, is you really need to drain the coolant and remove the radiator and wash it outside of the quad. You'll be surprised how much mud gets trapped in behind the fan, so something to think about if you do not do that. Alright guys, we just got one more thing to do, and that's dry her off. I used to always use my air compressor, but that's actually a lot more work. I prefer my leaf blower. So this next step is up to you guys. There are just a couple areas that I will just wipe down. Some areas that the blower isn't gonna really get super dry. Oh, drop the rag. I like to wipe the pipe down. I like to dry the air box. Just a quick wipe. Now we have one last thing to do. I like to spray down the frame with the premium silicone detailer. Once I put the plastics back on, I'll hit all the plastics too, but I like to just spray the shocks, the A-arms. It's just going to make everything shiny and look good. Then we'll go ahead, we're going to pop the gas tank on this girl and just let her run for a few minutes, and that is going to be it. Alright guys, that's how you clean a quad. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure, if you would like to try some Alco products, you use my code ONONEWHEEL7 at checkout. You can save 20%, but also through this video we are going to give one lucky winner a full detailing kit from Alco. That's going to be 5 gallons of cleaner, a silicone spray, and a laundry powder. And all you guys need to do is just drop a comment down below and make sure you like the video. And if you want to go one step further, share the video as well. That would help me out a ton. But as always, thanks for watching guys. Make sure you give me a thumbs up on this one. Drop some comments to be entered like I said, and if you're not yet, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, peace.